Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to insert rows in Excel using various methods. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and check out the blog post for step-by-step instructions. The link is in the description below. Let's dive right in and explore each method to achieve the result. Method 1. Using the right-click option to insert a row. If you want to insert a row between rows 5 and 6, just select the 6th row, right-click and click on the Insert option. Simple and quick. Method 2. Using keyboard shortcuts to insert rows. Similar to Method 1, select the row or click on the row number on the gray box on the left-hand side, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus on Windows. If you are using Mac, then press Command plus Shift plus plus. This will insert a row into your spreadsheet instantly. Bonus tip: inserting multiple rows. If you need to insert multiple rows at once, just select the same number of rows you want to insert. For example, to add 5 rows, select 5 existing rows and then use either the right-click method or the shortcut to insert them. Easy, right? Method 3. Using Excel's ribbon to add rows. Click on the row number where you'd like to add a new row. Then head over to the Home tab, find the cells group, click on the Insert button and select Insert Sheet Rows from the drop-down list. Done. Method 4. Inserting rows in an Excel table. Adding rows inside a table is a little different. You don't need to select the entire row, simply right-click within the table. Under the Insert Context menu, select Table Rows above. Excel will automatically apply formatting and even copy formulas to the new row. Such a time saver. Method 5. Inserting rows based on conditions. You can also use a helper column along with an if formula to check if any condition is met. For instance, if column A contains yes, the formula returns 1. Otherwise, it returns 0. Use the fill handle to copy this formula to the rest of the cells. After that, sort the column from largest to smallest. Now, here's a little assignment for you. Try adding rows using shortcuts and the other methods we've discussed. Method 6. Using VBA to automate row insertion. To insert rows using VBA, go to the Developer tab or press Alt plus F11. Insert a module and paste the code. You can find the code in the blog link below. Go back to your sheet, run the macro, and there you go. VBA quickly adds rows after every 10th row. You can also modify the code as needed. For instance, if you want to insert a row after every 5th row, just change the number 10 to 5 in the code. Run it again and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more Excel tips and tricks. Also, do check out our detailed blog post for step-by-step guidance. The link is in the description below. See you in the next video.